We're here in Baguio again, and it's so cold. Even I use already jacket. It's really cold. Magatay na to rin ni Biglan.
And so many people waiting jeepney. Yes. How people not cold? Take a look. Why not use jacket? Even vaping not allowed, Shaira.